Folks, how you doing today? So we just got this in. This is a 1930s BANDT Junior coin changer. These were cashier cash registers that would easily allow you to get change to the customers after they made a purchase. We got this in. Somebody had done a pretty decent little restoration job. They had polished the whole thing. Everything functions correctly. What's cool about these is they got the little side trough here to push out the money. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Jeff, come on up here, Jeff. Let me show him kind of how this works, or how it does work. We're going to look down here, and you see this is 25 through 75. This is 50 cents, dollar, and dollar. So let's say a fella gave you $1 and his bill was only 10 cents. So dollar, 10 cents, it kicks back 90. Okay, so that's how it works. And here's dollar, dollar, 50, 25 through 75. There's no pennies in this because it was a round change machine. Everything works good in this machine. So it's a super cool machine. Love the trough that everything comes out, been polished. And then in the evening, what they would do is they would take this out, okay, and put it away. Okay, and they actually made it where the coins can't fall out because they're slotted here. So they could just take this, put it back in the safe, and then bring it back out in the morning, not leaving the dough out. Anyway, this is a great little decorator piece, as well as it works well. If you fill it full of money, it's really super attractive. It's ready to go, works good, looks good, is good, clean. And don't forget, we do have a new layaway program, but we actually always did it. So if you'd like to do some layaway on something, let us know. As well as we're doing restorations, get a hold of us. We can pick anything up anywhere in the country, get it brought here, get it delivered back to you. It's one-stop shop. Just give us a call. Thanks for your time.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.